driving over a multimeter.
Too far away.
I think you can get it from there.
Really?
If you lower that one, there's oh, close.
Still straightening it more. Straighten the elbow all the way.
That's as straight as it's gonna get.
Oh,
But if you drive it this way a bit, then you can grab at it. Oh, you no. Oh, you got it. Hey.
Safe reason wants it to be hot. It's the ground. How come the bumper sensor didn't go there? Did it bump hard enough or what?
I think Roomba moved the box inside, but it didn't pump.
Oh, there's no resistance?
Yeah, the bottom of
The garbage can
garbage
moved?
can, yeah. Like, look at this right now. Goes on.
Is that the overcurrent sensor?
Yeah.
That's great.
So if anything as high as this black thing, rubber on the Roomba, we can capture.
That's reasonable too. It'd be nice if we get all the way down. But... What if we get rid of the feet on the bottom?
That's terrifying. Ah!